the sorry, yeah, obviously going to the ceiling, more tiles, more labour, okay? But it's not necessary at all to tile to the ceiling. There's no practical reason for it, and it's a personal thing. So I would suggest to you that you don't need to, okay? It might be worthwhile in other bathrooms, but not in here. Okay, so there's two ways we can go about this vanity, okay? The first is that we get it resurfaced by a company that I use for bathroom and kitchen makeovers, okay? So this would be resurfaced with a stone veneer top, and it would no longer go down the front like that either.
So does that mean it looks like stone, or it is stone?
Yeah, it looks like it is stone, but it's only 6 mil thick. It's not the full thickness. Okay, so it's more of a makeover job than a pull it out and replace it job. So we put a new stone top on that and new doors in a new colour.
Yes.
And two options here is that we can leave this sink and put new tapware, and that will cost you even less, and it's quite fine, this sink is quite fine. Or we take the sink out and replace it with something else. The other option is that we can go out further with the vanity and put a vessel, nice vessel basin on it. So there are a couple of different options here, but very economical to do it this way. You're not removing anything. We're resurfacing and putting a new vessel basin on top, because that always looks nice. You know, the ones that sit on top, you know, in a nice mixer tap. So there's a couple of ways to go about it, but this will not have to be removed at all.
Okay.
No, it won't have to be removed.
Surfacing.
We'd use a stone veneer, new doors on front. This is a makeover company that I use for that.
So how do you, so it would be still rounded at the...
No. It would be a stone top, you know, this thick, whatever. Forget all this. New doors, new set of doors, new handle. And you've got the option of staying with this what we call semi-recess. This is semi-recess.
Yes, so half in, half out.
Well, sticking out like that. So you can keep this sink and do the semi-recess thing with new tapware. Or we can bring it out here using the same process I was just talking about, and put a vessel basin on top with a mixer tap. So when you walk in, the vanity's going to be across here.
Yes, a little further out.
They've done it this way because of the space factor. But in fact, they do have enough space in here to have a full depth. You have to have that full depth in order to put a vessel basin on there.
The only thing is shutting the door, isn't it? And that's still enough space.
There's still enough space. So you've got the option of full width or semi-recessed. Okay. With this mirror here, we'd get rid of that, and we would get you a mirror that goes all the way to the top and fills that entire spot. But we would have a splashback here, and the tiles. Look, it's entirely up to you, but we could do something like dark tile on the floor in a nice rectangular, large size, which looks very elegant and very nice. Say a dark charcoal. And you could have a different colour tile going up the wall with some sort of decorative tile. The other option is to do what I call 5-star hotel tiling, and that is the same floor tile goes up the wall as well. So the whole bathroom is like a 5-star resort type look. There's so many tile options, and it's really not important to go through them with you now.
No, that's fair enough.
But let me tell you that this whole area, with only having to do that to the toilet and that to the vanity, you're probably only looking at between 3 and 4.
And would you go shiny tiles, or do you, is it, you know how it always used to be that, you know, you, like in bathrooms, you always went shiny? Again, it's a personal choice. I would look at maybe putting a shiny tile on the floor and the wall to give you the 5-star hotel look here. There's not an issue in that slipping in a powder room isn't really going to happen. But in your kids' bathroom, I would say no. So and I know you said replace like the toilets and stuff in the toilet. Do you you know, the new toilets now where they're all literally plumbed in from the back and you don't see any of that sort
we
of...
could get you that type of toilet.
Mm-hmm.
It would add a little bit more onto what I just said. Probably only another 500.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Yeah, because that's, the
yeah,
new ones
you're
are
keen on that?
all-
Yeah,
all
okay.
plumbed, you know, the
Yeah.
bits in.
Everything is upgradable.
Of course.
I'm giving you the base.
Yes, no, that's good.
Mhm.
You'd like that.
Okay.
No, I do, because
Yeah, it's
the
nice
bathrooms
to have options.
yeah,
of things.
are okay, but it's not our colours and styles.
Yes.
So if there's a way that we can...
Yeah, well, all we have to do in that situation there, if you wanted the upgradable toilet, okay, so we call it a back-to-wall toilet. Okay, the pan goes all the way around to the wall like that. There's no S-bends, there's no funny bits,
That's right,
okay? I can get you one of those toilets for between $300 to $400, and then that just would have to be fitted by the plumber.
Yeah.
So therefore, the cost is going to go up there.
Yeah, sure. No,
But
that's
otherwise, you know, it's very low plumbing bill in this section
great. Mhm.
because all we're talking is some taps
Yes.
and the toilet.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
pretty low plumbing bill there.
Okay.
Okay. So your options are to
Yeah.
keep the tiling at that height.
Mhm.
The colours are up to you.
Yes.
And I just said to Rob, it's not necessary to tile to the ceiling. It's a personal thing, and it's not. There's no functional reason to do that.
Yeah.
Do that at all. Yeah.
Alrighty. Okay.
Okay.